are back in Bangkok. MBK behind me.
MBK.
Gotta go. Good. We are with our friend Frank.
Yeah. You know, great job. Very good.
Oh, very good. And what's that?
It's a papaya salad.
Oh, papaya
Yeah,
salad.
we call som tam.
It's the dog year. We are at Harry Potter World.
Yeah. Frank took us to the Harry Potter world.
Yeah.
Upside down and kind of shake.
Quidditch.
Sarah is playing Hogwarts game. And she fails hard.
Candice.
Ooh.
Very good. Thank you, Bill. Very good. Thank you.
Oh.
I guess he doesn't like me. Easy. I really do.
We have our friend here.
We're meeting Mint again.
Hello again.
We're going to the floating market this time.
Yes, and it's called Klong Lat Mayom.
Gonna test some fall juice.
Steamed dumplings with peanuts in it. I don't know what to do with all the green stuff.
This one is called Sahu.
Taco.
This one is called Kanom Pat Ma.
Kanoppan. It's papaya.
Yeah.
Temple and floating market. Gold color with mint. And it costs 100 baht for foreigners and adult. And if you're Thai, it costs 60 baht.
But you're not gonna know because it's written in Thai numbers.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, I couldn't tell. Two cameras.
We on the boat! Yeah, on the boat! We are at the temple at the river, so we stop for 20 minutes.
Even Mint doesn't know what this is for.
Oh, it's carp!
Look at those big fishes. Ah, right in the where I was filming. Oh, that's you. We are at the orchid. Don't fall. I was so close to falling.
We got orchid everywhere. It's a flower farm. Did you fall? Or you did like this? You did the ball?
Up there.
This is Glur, and you need to come from the highway, like the big way, and go inside here. It was hard to find, but it's really good. We're on our way to Central Plaza in Pinkalo. Pinklau. We're gonna meet Mint there.
Mint is trying to fix the water per what do you call it? Purification. First time we cook in 4 months. Last time was in Japan. And
Let's go down to our pool. Look how amazing that is. And then you head down here. The sun just disappeared. How do you say it? Infinity pool? And we live up there somewhere.
So I've been shopping today. I finally got a new smartphone and I got some other stuff here. These are like fisheye and selfie stick, portable battery, speaker. I don't know how to put this in the backpacking bag. Special.
Here's Sarah. She's waiting for the battery found. Don't forget to like our videos.
And subscribe.